Hey, good morning, everybody. My name's Bill. This is Rust to Resurrection. Today, we're headed into town to the storage building to pick up that V6 and the engine block for the MB. The year is getting away from me. We're already halfway through November. And I need to get some of this stuff done. I need to get this into storage. So that's today's mission. We're going to get those things loaded up, bring them home, bring them into the storage building here at home. All right, guys, we'll see you over at the barn. I have both engines back to my house, to my garage, and I'd hoped to do a video on this V6 engine, and unfortunately I am just running out of time. Since the first video I did on this here a couple weeks ago, a week ago, whenever it was, the temperatures have dropped into the 20s, and we had some snow. And there's snow in the forecast for tonight. I wanted to wash this thing, get it all cleaned up, get it put in so that we could talk about it in the future. Well, we will talk about it in the future, but unfortunately I'm not going to get that done right now. So I'm putting this thing away. I'm putting it in the Jeep garage is what I'm calling it, and we'll get it in there. We'll get it tucked away safely, and then somewhere maybe this winter, definitely by next spring or summer, we'll get this thing out, and we'll do a detailed dive into what it is, and I'll tell you more about how I got it and what my expectations were for it when I did. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I am really trying to grow this new Jeep channel. Leave a comment. It lets YouTube know that this is a channel people are watching. I appreciate you guys being here, and I will see you in the next video. Don't go away, because I'm going to unload this right now, and I'm going to show you that. I'm going to show you how that gets done. See you guys later.